Hey everyone, so I'm going to show this Kodak Retina 1B camera that I have. So I'm going to show you the features of it and also the function, like is it working well. So this is the front, sides, the other sides, bottom, and the top. The light meter is not working. I'm going to show you the front parts close up. Alright, focusing. Focusing is smooth. Shutter speed is adjusted here. Alright, and show the shutter speeds. Right, 500. $250. 125. 50. 30. 50. 8. 40. Half. 1 second. About 1. Alright, all shutter speeds work, and there you go, the Kodak Retina 1B. If you like to buy this camera, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for joining. Bye, see you guys next time. Bye, God bless. Camera actually comes with this leather case. It's a vintage case. Here's the condition of it. So to access the camera, you open here, and there you go. You can use the camera with the case on. So this is how it looks like with the case on. So yeah, there you go.